slight confession to make, which is that I may have eaten one of the donuts before I took a picture because I just couldn't wait. I did have a plain one with a raspberry jam in the middle, and the raspberry jam was out of this world. It was like really nice and tangy, which is just how I like it, so that one was fantastic. I also had a little nibble of this one. It's got like little nuggets of cookie dough on the top. It's like their Christmas version. It's really good. Honestly, I don't know how anyone can not like donuts, but if you like donuts, these are as good as you can get. Like vegan, non-vegan, it makes no difference. These, you wouldn't know these were vegan. They taste like just like regular donuts, and they are so good. How pretty is this one? That just tastes like regular cream cheese. Like, how have they made that? I don't understand. So good. This morning we went to a place called YORICA, which you have probably heard of, and it's like right on the border of Covent Garden in Soho. And they do whippy froyo in 4 different flavours, and they do ice cream with toppings such as freshly baked waffles, crepes, fruit and chocolate and biscuits, and it's so freaking good. And I had the vanilla and raspberry froyo swirled up together, topped with waffles and blueberries and chocolate sauce. So good, like so good. And my husband ate half of it, so clearly it's approved from everybody. So yeah, really good, top recommendation. Lush. That is nice. I think the thing that makes it actually is like it's got this cranberry sauce or like a chutney in it.